I'm thinking that because those drives that I tried to put on my dad's computer in the other video didn't work in there, that I'll just use them elsewhere. And then I can free up some 2.5-inch SSDs. So I can use those in pretty much any computer. And so I'm going to put this one in my mom's computer, because she has an SSD and an NVMe slot, so. And then I'm also going to put a hard drive in my laptop and take out the SSD that's in there, because I used to have this 1 terabyte drive in there. I removed it because I wanted solid state or whatever. But, I want more space. And so I'm going to put that one back in there so I can free up that solid state drive. So then I'll have two 500 gigabyte solid state drives, 2.5 inch. That I can use in whatever projects, and then I can free up one of these, so that'll be good. Well, that didn't go according to plan. The drive that was in there previously had some errors and was corrupted slightly. So I couldn't clone or image the disk. So I had to reinstall Windows. Well, I installed Windows on the M.2 drive I put in. And so I mean, that worked out, and I just tried to copy over files and whatnot. So we'll see if that works out and everything, but so frustrating. But anyway, now moving on to my laptop. That took 14 minutes. I followed that same methodology for this laptop that I did on my dad's computer and my mom's computer. And using Macrium Reflect, it's free, really useful. It doesn't have to restart your PC. If you have a drive that can download Acronis for free, then you can do that, and that works great too. besides that error on my mom's computer, everything is working out great, and I hope you guys learned something, enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.